Why do you say that? Why do you say that it's a fact? Okay, she's observing it. Can she observe confidence? Kind of. Well, what, Xavier?
It's a difference, but how can you know that he is confident?
Okay, that's a good question. How could he know? How could she know that he has confidence?
Well, because he stayed in her corner when she wasn't out, and now he wanted her.
Okay, so it is an inference based off of facts. She's watching, she's observing.